so today we're making a McDonald's cheeseburger. Last week we made the Whopper, and so you know what? Let's make McDonald's cheeseburger. And we'll see which one tastes better, but this one's actually much easier to make, only a few ingredients, and let's get started. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe below and hit that like button. And if you want me to cook anything else, just let me know as well. So let's make this cheeseburger. So now we're gonna cut these veggies and let's grill this burger right now. So a little trick I did is I put tin foil right on the cutting board, as you see here. And it's just gonna make cleanup a lot better and easier to work with the meat. So we're gonna make the meat, you want it 80% lean beef and 20% fat. And you want it about 1 inch longer, right, than the bun. And you want to press real thin, okay? And we're gonna make this double cheeseburger, okay? Because nobody wants no single. We're gonna make it double. And let's make this meat. So for this burger, you're just gonna need salt. That's it. Salt each side, then we'll toss on the iron skillet, and we'll make it nice and crispy. Wow, that looks really juicy. So in about 3 minutes, we're gonna flip it, cook it for another 3 minutes, and that's it. Quick and easy, right? Kind of. I kind of messed it up putting it on, but you know, holding the camera, you know what I mean. All right, now let's flip this. So keep in mind when you flip it, make sure you push down against the iron skillet, okay? Because the burger's real thin and you don't want to break it apart. So just 3 minutes on this side, and as we can see right here, you see the blood coming up right here? So that means it's almost done, okay? So if you like it medium, or yeah, basically medium, you know, then you kind of, right now is when you want to take it off. So if you like it medium well, we'll cook it for another minute, and that's it. Now we're gonna put it all together. We're gonna start with the bottom of the bun, and once we complete that, then we'll do the top of the bun. Now let's get started. So chop white onion. Next we're gonna add the meat. So on top of the bun, we're gonna add mustard, and we're gonna add ketchup. We're gonna make sure this is all mixed really good together. And next we're gonna add exactly 3 pickles. Now that everything is put together, we'll put it in the microwave for about, they say about 15 seconds, just to heat up the meat and melt the cheese. That was easy, right? It took us about, what, 20 minutes to make the McDonald's cheeseburger? So, before we do the taste test, I need one more thing. You know what I need. Nice cold beer. You see that? That looks delicious. But, so we nuked it in the microwave for about 30 seconds, okay, like we saw earlier. And I guess you could cook the cheese towards the end. Once you flip it, after the first 3 minutes, then you add the cheese, then it may taste a little bit better. I know I said I was gonna make a double, but I made a single just to see comparison. Then I'll eat the double for dinner. So now let's try this out. That was good. That was actually pretty easy. That was exactly like the McDonald's cheeseburger. But I don't know, it's different taste. The Whopper has one taste because it has lettuce, tomatoes, and onions. And the cheeseburger, well, it's just a cheeseburger. Maybe we'll make In-N-Out next week or something. Do a little comparison or whatever. But let me know what you guys think below. But this was pretty good, you know? And another tip too is that on the cutting board, I put a tin foil. And it's easier to make the burgers on the tin foil. If you just do it on the cutting board, which we learned making the Whopper, the meat just sticks to that cutting board. Then you're just spending time cleaning it up and it breaks apart. So just put tin foil, make your meat, and cook your meat in an iron skillet. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe below. And next week, maybe we'll make In-N-Out or make the Baconator, or maybe we'll make some fried chicken. Who knows? Until next time, everyone, have a great night. Please subscribe. Take care. All right, goodbye.